So here at Just Autos, we've built our reputation on the Sunshine Coast. The problem was, if you were in Darwin or Perth, for example, you had to either find a way to get here or unfortunately miss out. The Distributor network fixes that.
The workshops we've chosen to be Just Autos distributors aren't just there flying our Just Autos name. They have gone through an extensive application process, as well as come up here for distributor on-site training here at our head office, as well as working with us within 3 to 6 months time period along the course to become a Just Autos distributor.
I didn't want to lose sight of, having a customer as a number. That personal touch and that customer service is really, really important, and we make sure that the customer service and the level of customer service is always up there.
Here's how it works for our national customers. You contact head office, our sales advisors go through the journey and design a package that suits your needs with your vehicle. Once we've come to the right package and what you require, we then get in contact and book you with the local distributor. Once you're booked in with the distributor, we're with you every step of the way. We pride ourselves at Just Autos, making sure every customer is getting the best quality customer experience that we can offer, whether you're here at Just Autos head office or at any of our distributors worldwide.
So how it works is we send all the associated parts to the distributor, they'll fit them, and we'll work closely with their team to tune the vehicle to your specific needs. So when it comes to ECU tuning, which is the heart of everything that we do, we handle that here at head office, regardless of which distributor your vehicle may be at. So thanks to Matt and the team behind EasyTune, they designed a program which we use to data log, flash and tune a vehicle anywhere in the world. So we've developed our own software for the Toyota vehicles. It is based around EasyTune. EasyTune is a company that I'm partnership in that does all the decompiling and software engineering into these cars. So it allows Just Autos to have a lot of functionality and able to add all these special things that we can give to our customers. That's the heart and soul. That's where it comes from, and that's how Just Autos uses it. So our Just Autos distributor network is constantly growing. New locations, new workshops popping up all over Australia. Get in contact to see who your local distributor is and we'll take it from there.